Welcome to AppStarPlus. I have this simple app in Node.js where I am importing dev.env and I want to display a value from .env file. But if I run the app, it throws this error. You could also get a syntax error, something like cannot use import statement outside a module. To fix this, add type module in your package.json file. Now run the app. It will run. So Node.js has two module systems, CommonJS that uses require and ES modules that uses import. By default, Node treats .js files as CommonJS. To allow Node.js import and export syntax, we add that line in package.json file. By doing so, we are telling Node.js to treat all .js files in this project as ES modules. So it fixes the issue. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.